Hello everyone, I am Ajay. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your first program in Python. So this video for beginners. So first of all, you need to open IDLE. This is a built-in IDE which provides Python. In this case, my Windows title bar is not working, taskbar is not working. So I have created shortcut for that. If you just have to insert name here IDLE and open the IDLE. This window you can see at that time. And if you want to run any program, you can type command here also. uh, Sorry, instead of command we can say a statement instruction that Python's like a print function in this program. Print. Now this is giving me error, so I will tell you how this uh, why this error is occurring. First of all, you have to create a new file for running or creating a new program. And typing instructions. So in this program in this video you are going to learn simple hello world program. So print hello world. Now before running programs, simply save the file. Give any name you just want. I'm giving test.py. You don't need to insert a .py extension. It will automatically inserted by Python. You can see here .py or .pyw and save the file. This file is already exists. I am replacing that file and simply click on run button, run menu and run module. You can also run by using shortcut F5. Simply run. You can see here output. My whatever I insert in this parenthesis, it will display on screen. So in like in C we use printf function. In Python we used only print and hello world in parenthesis. And in parenthesis, in double quote, you can insert string that you will want to display. Now you instead of double quote you can also use single quote. It doesn't matter. Save the file again and run the module. You can see same output again. It doesn't matter it is single quote or double quote. If you want to display double quote in a string, then you have to use a single quote compulsory. You can see here. Now save the file again and run the module. You can see here I want to display double quote. That's why I inserted double quote in single quote. If I use like this, you can see here string is separated automatically. It is considered as separate string. So that's why there is a main difference when you have to use single quote or double quote. Okay, then save this file. You can also use skip sequences in this string. You can see the output. Run the program again. Now you can see the hello and the word is written to next line because of this escape sequence that we used in C language mostly. And you can use as much as escape sequence. You can see here output. Here I use tab, vertical tab. And if you want to declare a variable in a Python, so simply insert variable name there is name of variable and equals to now this is a string. Simply I am putting a string hello. Now I am deleting this all because I just want to display a variable value. Now run the program. Okay, wait a minute. Now run the program. Now you can see the same output here. Now one more thing, if I remove this parenthesis, it will give me an error, that is missing parenthesis is called to print. Now this is happening because I am using Python 3 now, not Python 2.7. if you are using Python 2.7, it is permitted to insert this syntax. Even though, if I can give one example, if I put hello, it runs in Python 3, but if I remove this parenthesis, it will give me error. You can see missing parenthesis. So this is the main difference between Python 2 and 3, that is parenthesis. And so many differences and more. You can Google for that. So this is basically hello world program that we used. So thank you for watching.